You need metal deck or steel deck for your project? Place the order on our new website. It's very easy. You can go to Shop All Products, or if you prefer, you can go to one of the other pages, Roof Deck or Floor Deck. Select the right profile. You can read the description of the product. If you need more references, you can go down and click on one of the references. On the right side, you can select the right gauge number and the finish that you're looking for. So, for example, here I choose 22 gauge galvanized. You can select the type of side lap that you need. Either you can choose from screwed in side lap or button punch. You can also select a crimper if you wish so. Finally, you can select the right unit, select the length, the quantity. You would see down here the total area, the total weight, and the total price. You can simply add this product to your cart. And once you finish with listing all the products, you can click on checkout. In the checkout, you would have the option of either having the products delivered to your address or pick up the products from one of our pickup locations. And once you do that, you can continue to payment. It's easy. Try it today.